Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. Firstly, open youtube.com in your browser. Then click on the sign in button in the top right corner and log into your account associated with the channel you want to delete. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar under the Channel section, click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Delete Channel button to begin. You'll be prompted with options for deletion. Select I want to permanently delete my content and check the box to confirm you understand the consequences. Now click on Delete. To verify your identity, enter your password, then click Delete My Content to finalize the deletion. It may take up to a few minutes for the deletion process to complete, and once done, YouTube will send an email confirming that your channel has been successfully deleted. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.